Hi, my name is Chris. I'm one of the Acura brand specialists here at Findlay Acura. Today for tips and tricks, I'm going to go over the lane keep assist on the 2023 Acura Integra. This is going to be the A-Spec trim. All right, so we're going to go ahead and push start. So we're going to go ahead and turn that on. Up here you see all your speed, your range, fuel, things like that. This only has 13 miles on it. So I'm going to go ahead and shift into drive. You also have paddle shifters. If that's what you're into. This is going to be the 4-cylinder, 200 horsepower, 1.5 liter direct injection VTEC. So for the lane keep assist, just got to push the button. It'll show up your car. This is off. This is on. Shows you a little car, and then shows also your blinkers as well. So once you get up to a certain amount of speed, it's green, so it'll show you that it drives itself. Sometimes you just gotta hold on to it every now and then. Definitely has some pep in it, enough for me to buy it. Just bought one myself, pretty stoked about that. It was a great choice. Move the steering wheel at all. Step right there, steering required. Sometimes it'll say that. I just want to say thank you guys. My name is Chris, and that was our tips and tricks for the Acura Integra for the lane keep assist. As you can see, we got different other colors all throughout. So it's just kind of take your pick, take your color, choose what you want, and we'll definitely take care of you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll take care of you. Take care. Thank you. Bye.